Hi guys, Simon again from SA Tuning. What I wanted to do today was introduce you to Snow Performance Water Methanol kits. We are authorised dealers and distributors for these kits, and they are absolutely awesome. So what I thought we'd do today is just show you what you get in the kit, how they work and what they're for really. So this one is a Stage 2 TD Power Max kit, and what you get is you get a tank to hold the water methanol in, you get a high pressure fuel pump, you get all the piping, you get the vacuum hoses and the boost lines to measure the boost. You also get with this kit is a nice little boost gauge, but from here with all these buttons you can actually control when the water methanol kicks in, when it starts spraying, when it turns off, how it works, and you can do all that from this gauge here. And it comes with all the wiring. You also get obviously all the nozzles, one-way check valve. Now this stuff is built really well, you know, it's a nice looking bit of kit. You get 2 or 3 different types of nozzles depending on what kit you go for, so they do stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 as well. It's for petrol or diesels. You also get full list of instructions. Now these are probably one of the most comprehensive set of instructions I've probably ever seen with some form of aftermarket thing. It will give you full setup guides, it will give you all the wiring guides, it will give you what it should be doing, what it shouldn't be doing. So that's obviously the boost gauge there, that you can actually change things from the gauge itself. In relation to it, it'll even give you pictures, how roughly things should be wired in, give you information about all the optional extras. They even do a full Snow Performance, stage 3 TD Power Max kit that will actually come with a full controller that you can sit on the dash or put wherever you wanted. So it is really, really quite in depth, and it's a really nice bit of kit. So for diesels, what water methanol does is it basically increases the fuel load and the octane of the fuel that's running in it. And these will normally see between 30 to 50 horsepower just literally by installing this and having it running on a diesel. For petrols, what they're mainly used for is to stop knock, and that is when the combustion happens inside the chamber before the cylinder has reached the point of ignition. So because everything's so hot in there, it actually combusts without an ignition. So that's called knock. So what you have is you have all the pressure pushing down on the piston when it should be coming up, and that causes damage. Well, what these do is, because you run time in advance, you can cool everything down inside that chamber massively. So instead of running, say, 91 octane fuel pump, 91, 93, 95 octane, this will take this to about 116 to 120 octane just by running methanol. Because it's water as well, it's sprayed out, and what it does is it cools everything down in the chamber, so you can run a little bit more boost, a bit more timing. Because everything stayed cool, it won't ignite before it needs to. So as I say, I mean, we can supply these, we're authorised distributors, but we can also fit these on site as well. So if, say, for example, you wanted your car fitted with it, but you looked at it and went, oh, that's not really my bag, we can supply and fit these here as well. So if you're after a quote for how much that would cost, please feel free, give us a call, 0333 444 0136. You can email us at info@satuning.co.uk. Or you can message us through Facebook. These are available now to buy. If you'd like to know how much, as I say, just get in contact with us and we'll be able to give you a quote of exactly how much they are and get one out to you. Thanks, guys.